Solving three-step equations using distributive property. Number 1, 2 times negative 5 minus 6x equals negative 70. Using distributive property, we can remove the brackets. 2 times negative 5 minus 2 times 6x equals negative 70. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, minus 2 times 6x is 12x, and that equals negative 70. Next, combine like terms. The like terms will be negative 10 and negative 70. To remove the negative 10 from the left-hand side of the equation, we'll have to add 10. If we add 10 to the left-hand side of the equation, we have to add 10 to the right-hand side of the equation as well. The negative 10 and the positive 10 will cancel each other out, leaving us with negative 12x, and negative 70 plus 10 is negative 60. Then we will isolate the variable. To isolate the x, we'll do the opposite operation of multiplying it by negative 12. So we'll have to divide the left-hand side by negative 12, therefore dividing the right-hand side by negative 12. Reduce the fraction to lowest terms. The times negative 12 and divided by negative 12 will cancel, leaving us with x. And negative 60 divided by negative 12, both of these can be reduced by negative 12. So negative 60 divided by negative 12 is 5, and negative 12 divided by negative 12 is 1. So x equals 5 over 1. And in lowest terms, that will be x equals 5. Number 2, negative 5 times negative 7x plus 4 equals negative 90. Negative 5 times negative 7x plus negative 5 times 4 equals negative 90. Negative 5 times negative 7x is positive 35x. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. And that equals negative 90. Next, combine like terms. The like terms will be the negative 20 and the negative 90. To remove the negative 20 from the left-hand side of the equation, we'll have to add 20. Therefore, we have to add 20 to the right-hand side of the equation. The negative 20 and positive 20 will cancel, leaving us with 35x. And negative 90 plus 20 is negative 70. Next, we isolate the variable. To isolate the x, we'll do the opposite operation of multiplying it by 35. So we'll divide this side by 35. Therefore, dividing the right-hand side by 35 as well. Reduce the fraction to lowest terms. The times 35 and divided by 35 will cancel, leaving us with x. And for negative 70 divided by 35, these can both be reduced by dividing by 35. So negative 70 divided by 35 is negative 2. And 35 divided by 35 is 1. So x equals negative 2 over 1. And in lowest terms, this will be x is equal to negative 2. In question number 3, negative 6 times negative 3 minus 2x equals 54. To remove the brackets, we'll use distributive property. So negative 6 times negative 3 minus negative 6 times 2x equals 54. Negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18 minus negative 6 times 2x is negative 12x, and that equals 54. Since you have two negative signs, we'll add the opposite. So that can be written as 18 plus 12x equals 54. Next, we'll combine like terms. The like terms will be the 18 and the 54. To remove the 18 from the left-hand side of the equation, we'll subtract 18. And if we subtract 18 from the left-hand side, we have to subtract 18 from the right-hand side as well. The plus 18 and minus 18 will cancel, leaving us with 12x. And 54 minus 18 is 36. Then we can isolate the variable. To isolate the x, we'll do the opposite of multiplying it by 12. So we'll divide the left-hand side by 12. Therefore, we're dividing the right-hand side by 12. Reduce the fraction to lowest terms. So the times 12 and divided by 12 will cancel, leaving us with x. And for 36 divided by 12, these can both be reduced by dividing by 12. 36 divided by 12 is 3. And 12 divided by 12 is 1. So x equals 3 over 1. And this can be written as x is equal to 3.